It's now 6:16, so let's bring in meteorologist Alan Rose to check for our forecast. Always nice having a meteorologist as a coworker because I ask for personalized forecasts, and I was looking to do some fishing today. Might want to hold that off in the afternoon.
Although we did say, and Ryan Much behind the scenes said the same thing, when the weather is sort of stormy, the fish tend to bite more. So
oh yeah, much more active. So.
Maybe today's the day.
Maybe as long as lightning's not involved.
Well, we'll talk about that in a minute. I want to start out with what you've been asking for all morning long. Asking you shall receive.
I want to see. Oh, pollen! There you go. Pollen's out of control. Darn you, pollen.
The pollen report. Tony says he's been struggling all day long. And much like what we've seen the past week or two, all of those blooms on the trees, well, you may have guessed it. It means tree pollen is extremely high right now. Grass pollen, with all the new grass growing, not too far behind. Typically this time of the year, we don't have to worry too much about weed and mold pollen. Now, today you will have to worry about another round of showers and storms. And we just shared that update heading into the commercial break from the Storm Prediction Center, which has now shifted that threat farther west than what they had issued earlier this morning. So under the gun would be I-25, the Eastern Plains, even the Front Range foothills and mountains. And threats are going to be a little bit lower. Not expecting the big hail like what we saw yesterday, but there could be plenty of that smaller pea to penny size hail, even some hail up near an inch in diameter, 60-mile-per-hour gust, frequent lightning, heavy rain, even an isolated tornado possible here into the southeastern plains. And I think areas south of Highway 50 will see the greatest threat for some of those storm risks compared to areas up here in the Pikes Peak region. If you're just tuning in this morning, the time is approaching 6:18. It's a cool and cloudy start to your day at 54 degrees in the spring, 60 for our friends in Pueblo. So here it is, that storm severe weather outlook map from the Storm Prediction Center. Areas in green from Cheyenne down to the Springs in Pueblo, La Veta to Rye, Trinidad, under that marginal risk of severe weather. Yesterday, many of those areas in the eastern plains were under a slight risk. So again, a slight downturn in that potential for strong to severe thunderstorms. Now on the hour-by-hour forecast today, we'll also notice a bit of a cool down, mainly due to the cloud cover this morning. We will see a mix of sun and clouds leading up to the afternoon when we get some of those scattered storms. I would say for I-25, our best opportunity between 2 and maybe 5 or 6 this evening. Storms linger later than that into the eastern plains. With the cool down today, we swap out 90s for 80s out east, 84 in Pueblo and 79 in the Springs. So let's walk through that afternoon forecast. Between 1 and 4 storms begin to initiate. Watch this area here. That's the greatest risk of severe storms today, is going to be from Los Animas County up to the Arkansas River Valley. Now on Wednesday, we'll see some additional energy coming out of New Mexico, and that leads to another chance of showers and thunderstorms into the afternoon to early evening. And I think Tuesday to Wednesday, probably a better chance for rain than what we'll see Thursday. Then we pull in some drier air as we approach the weekend, and that heats highs up to the 80s, even some upper 80s some of those days in the Springs. In Pueblo, we're going to go from the 80s today and tomorrow to the 90s as we approach the weekend, peaking Friday at 94. Canyon City, mostly 80s here throughout the next 7 days. Your 2 toasty afternoons will be Friday and Sunday. A nice weekend to spend some time by the pool. In Woodland Park, 70s here each afternoon with a daily chance of showers and storms. Friday looks like the peak day of the week, dry skies and a high of 77.